How do you Kinesio tape tennis elbow? In this video, you're going to learn how in 3 easy steps, as well as a few tips to make Kinesio taping easier. Coming up. Hey guys, what's cracking? It's Dr. Neville, aka Dr. Ginger Ninja. As a sports chiropractor and tennis pro, I've treated thousands of cases of lateral epicondylitis, also known as tennis elbow. While some recreational tennis players get tennis elbow, many people get tennis elbow from other causes, including typing, using a computer mouse, cutting foods, using a screwdriver, lifting weights, and golf. With that being said, let's jump into step 1. Before we dive deep into Kinesio taping, it's crucial to prep the skin so the tape sticks better and lasts longer. I always use alcohol to clean the skin and get rid of any sweat, oil, or lotions. If you have a lot of hair on your arms, trim it down with some clippers for better adhesion. For today's taping, we'll need one 4-inch decompression strip and one 12 to 14-inch strip of Kinesio tape to support those extensor muscles. Pro tip number 1, round the corners of the tape to prevent it from catching on clothing and help it last longer. Pro tip number 2, to remove the tape from the paper, don't peel from the edge. Instead, tear paper from the back and then peel it off. Now grab your 4-inch piece of tape, tear it about 1 inch from each end and remove the center paper. Apply the center of the tape with about 75% tension over the tendons of the elbow where you feel the most pain. The anchors at both ends should be applied with 0 tension. Now take your 12-inch strip. Start at the hand, laying the anchor down with 0 tension. Make a fist and flex your wrist to stretch the extensor tendons. Apply the tape with 25 to 30% tension, running it along your elbow, passing over the decompression strip, ending at the outside part of your elbow. The ending anchor should be applied with 0 tension. Pro tip number 3, rub the tape to naturally heat it up and activate the adhesive. This helps it stick better and last longer. When you're done, your tape should look like this, providing support to your elbow muscles and aiding in movement. Now, if you're experiencing pain on the inside part of the arm, you might have golfer's elbow. Check out our top video for more info on that, or explore our full playlist on taping different injuries with Kinesio tape. And if this video helped you, punch that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.